recipe is a very simple recipe which is called spiced ripe plantain, or Ghanaians call it Kelewele.
Kelewele.
Yes, so today we'll be cooking alone. Our mom will not join us.
Yeah.
Only us will be cooking. So let's get started. So guys, I'm using 4 medium-sized plantain, and I'm also using onion powder, and then the Kelewele spices. This contain ginger, pepper, and cloves, and I'm also using salt, and then a little bit of water, because you know all the spices are dry. You don't want the plantain to be dry, so we are putting some small water on it. So let's get started by peeling the plantain. I'm going to peel the plantain and then cut it. Yasmin, you're going to help me, right? So this one is for Yasmin.
For me. And cut it.
So guys, if you don't have these spices, the dry ones, you can make your own by blending ginger, pepper, cloves, and onions together, and then you get your spices. No, you don't need to cut it, just remove it like this now. What you see? Remove it with your hand like this. Remove it. And that is okay. So we are peeling plantain. Peeling it well. Put it at sea.
Look, I won.
Yay!
I won.
Let me give you another one. Good girl. That's my girl. You know how to. Oh, me, I won before you.
No, I won.
Okay, both of us. Like the way I taught you, move it like this, okay?
Yeah. I removed the first one. Now I need second.
The second one.
I need the
Cut
second.
both sides. Good girl. That's my girl. So guys, before I fry my plantain, I like doing it like this to move, both sides to make it smooth. That's why I like moving this. Same goes to the rest. It's a very easy recipe. See. Thank you, Yasmin.
Yes, I win. I win again.
Yeah. Wow, Yasmin, you know how to do it.
Yeah. And my new super hands.
So we are done pulling it into two, like this. Then you cut it like this. See? Let me show you, Yasmin. Like this. Watch. Yasmin, watch. Like this, horizontal way. See? Do the same. Do it like this big one, okay? So guys, it should be like this. See? Into two, and then like this. I don't know if you can see.
Actually, is it big one?
It's okay. It's big.
Okay.
So your plantain shouldn't be too soft, okay?
No, not too soft.
Because you won't get the right way to cut it.
There because we have to.
Should be ripe, yes, but not too soft. So in the middle like this, and then you cut it like this. Yay! So like a hand like this. See? I'll do the same thing to this one. The last one, cut into two, and then this, and this. See? Two, this.
And
we are done.
yay!
So now we are just going to add our spices.
Yeah.
See?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to spice our plantain. So first we're starting with the Kelewele spices. So wait, start to eat. So I'm using 1 tablespoon. I'm using 1 tablespoon Kelewele spices, and also onions, powdered onion. Yes. Let me pick some for you. Daggy, come and hold it. So let's put. We are using 1. You like onion, so we are just using 1 tablespoon.
I don't like onion.
But it's nice. 1 tablespoon onion powder.
Oh.
Yay. Put it on. 1 tablespoon onion powder, and then also 1 tablespoon Kelewele spices. So now we are going to put just a pinch of water. So this amount is okay. Yasmin, come and put the water.
I'll put it.
So I think we use just 2, 1, 2. Okay, let's make it 3. 3 teaspoon water. We're going to mix our Kelewele.
I can mix it too.
No. Your spoon is small. And mix it with the big one, okay?
Can I mix it with a big one?
Watch, it's popping.
Okay.
So I don't want it to go anywhere.
Okay.
See, guys, I don't know if you can see. See?
Yeah, it's very mixing.
And now we are going to also add our salt, because you know the Kelewele spices here doesn't have salt. Yes. So we are using 1 teaspoon salt. We are using 1 teaspoon salt.
Yeah, I'm going to put the salt. So, if it's enough.
1 teaspoon salt. Yay!
Yes, I cannot wait. I cannot wait to see how it looks.
And then, so 1 teaspoon salt. Okay. Then we are mixing it.
What do it looks like? But I don't know.
Oh my God! See our Kelewele. It smells so good.
Yeah, it
so
smells
now
so good.
It's ready to fry. See? So now we are going to fry it. Guys, see, without mixing, this is how it should be.
Yeah, this is how it should be.
It smells so good. Yeah. So guys, now I'm going to fry. The oil is warm. Now I'm frying it. You fry it just like how you fry plantain. So we'll come and check it later to allow it to fry. So guys, as you can see, it's now ready. So now I'm going to remove it. Before you put your Kelewele, you should make sure that the oil is really hot, okay? And then you have to check it always, continuously. Be checking it because you don't want it to burn. So now I'm going to put it on my paper towel because I want it to, you know, soak the excess oil from the plantain. See, wow, I love the color. It's really nice. You can see, guys, this is spiced ripe plantain, or Ghanaians call it Kelewele, and it's really delicious. You should try it. See? I can't wait to eat. So now you see, Kelewele is ready. So you can eat this one with peanuts. You can just eat it with your peanuts. It's really good. It tastes really well. So guys, that's it. So guys, I've already sprinkled some peanut on it because we eat it with peanuts. See how delicious it looks. Our Kelewele went cool. This is our first time frying it, and it's yummy.
That's how it looks like.
We're done with the recipe. So if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, like our video, share it, comment, because you guys don't comment. I don't know why, but comment. Okay, if you like our video, you like our face, you like our family, anything at all, just comment it in the comment section, and I'll be writing the ingredients in the description box down there. So thank you so much once again for watching our video and then liking our video. You can go and check our other recipes. It's there, lasagna, spaghetti, a lot. So now we are going
couscous.
Yeah, couscous. So please click here, okay, click here to subscribe to our channel, and then here is where you watch new videos, okay? Any video you see there, please click it and watch. We are begging you, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching our video.
Do you want my sister to cry?
Hey, I'm not crying.
Just kidding.
Okay guys, thank you so much. Bye bye.